How to fix your account is already registered to another phone in GCash fix. So if you want to fix the problem of your account is already registered to another phone in GCash, then it means that you need to remove the account from your old phone. So what you need to do is you need to go with your old mobile device, and once you're here, you just need to simply open up your GCash application, tap on GCash and open up your application. Once you open up your application, go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Once you're here on the profile, you need to go with the option of settings. You can scroll down and find the settings option. Under settings, you need to go with the account secure option. Under account secure, you need to go with the device that you're using right now and click on it, and then tap on unregistered phone. Once you tap on unregistered phone, then again tap on yes unregister, which will be on the bottom of your screen, and you need to take a video selfie to verify your identity. Tap on next and then take a selfie. Once you've taken the selfie, you'll be unregistered. Once you're unregistered from your old device, you just need to simply go with the new and then go with GCash. Open up your GCash and try to log into your account or register to your account, and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your account is already registered to another phone in GCash. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.